Hello, you're welcome to Grand Skills International Broiler Keeping. And my name is Samdiri Samuel Robinson, and I'm going to be an instructor on broiler keeping. So if you're on Instagram, do well to follow Grand Skills at official Grand Skills-int. Of course, we all know the benefits of Grand Skill. First thing is actually to eradicate the rate of unemployment, and secondly, to make sure that skills get to everyone. So do well to share this with your loved ones, your friends, your families, and even your enemies should hear about grand skills, so they will stop being your enemy. And also do well to follow on Facebook, on YouTube at Grand Skills International TV on YouTube, Facebook at Official Grand Skills, and Twitter at Grand Skills dash official Grand Skills dash INTL. So here is the Instagram handle. So do well to follow us and share to your loved ones. So now let's get on to the class, and I'm gonna take you on effective poultry management. Effective poultry management, and in this tutorial you will know how to raise your broiler. So we'll be talking about poultry in this tutorial. So effective poultry production and management. So in this aspect of poultry, we'll be talking about broiler, and this is broiler, this is broiler, and this are layer, turkey, cockerel, noiler, and this tutorial is being done by me. You can also follow me on Instagram at official Samdiri. Official Samdiri. Follow me both on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, official Samdiri. And this is my company name, Samdiri Integrated Farms Limited. So we'll be going straight to the class. So in our next video, we'll be talking about the introduction, the contents in broiler keeping. So thank you very much. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.